Guys, welcome to another week's vlog. I'm in my kitchen and I'm in my cactus PJs because it is about, what time is it? It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock, but I'm off work and I'm off for the next 2 days. So I was supposed to be off Monday, but somebody needed to switch. I was like, sure, it gives me 2 days off in a row and I can push through those extra couple of days of working straight to have those couple of days off. First, I've got to tell you about something. So I've got a little like story time. So yesterday I came home and I thought, oh, it's the perfect time to film. So I go to film my Lip Monthly. I just got that. So I decided to go ahead and start filming it. I was really excited, trying them out. Halfway through it was going well, put it that way. And I forgot, oh, I don't have it was something, I don't remember. I decided to grab something that I didn't have. I don't know if it was like another makeup wipe or something, and because I think I ran out of makeup wipes. So I was like, oh crap. So I left the camera on and I went to go fetch my makeup wipes, and I came back, I sat down and my acrylic chair broke and I fell on the floor and it cut my leg, and my ankle on my other leg was like bent on top of like the little rolly part of it. So I've got 2 injuries and I was filming. So I'll just say this, if you've ever needed to watch a video, it is my Lip Monthly, because not only is it a cute little review, it's going to be short, sweet, and to the point. It's going to be a good video, I think, but I'm gonna let you guys see the realness. So I did cry a little bit. I don't know if I was crying because of my legs, because of the broken chair, or because I had actually filmed it, but I was like, oh my god. And I had to like pull myself together because I was like, dang, this video was going well. So I needed to go ahead and film it. I've got the little clip. I will definitely be putting it in that video. I've got to edit it and get it ready for Lip Monthly. So yeah. That was cool. I will show you really quick what my chair looks like because it's a disaster. So I stuck it out in the garage because I was like, I don't even want to look at it. So this is my chair. It broke completely. Like, so it went like this and cut my leg. Like, it was because it's kind of sharp, and I guess like just the pressure of it. And yeah, so I guess it was just a little too much stress right there, and I'm really sad. Like, I didn't even know what to do. So it's my garage. It's super hot out here, so I'm not staying in there. And then this morning I came in here, oh please ignore the mess, it's such a mess, and I was like, I don't even know what to do. So my bench was there, so I just moved it over and sat on it. Oh my god, this is such a mess. I really got to clean up in here, and I also need to get a new chair for my vanity, and also one because I usually sit in that to film. I'm liking my makeup. I'm looking really highlighted, but hey, your girl's looking a little cute. So yeah, I really need to get a chair. And the sad thing is, obviously I don't want to buy the same chair because it broke, but I really like that one. It's the best of both worlds. Like, it's cute, it's functional, it like moves up and down, it rolls, and it's the right size and height, and it doesn't have arms on it, and I feel like it's just like all the things that I wanted and no longer have. So anyway, this room definitely needs a makeover. Stevie's! Hi! Hi. And then the beep, beep, beep. If you guys ever see straws on my floor, it's because they love to play with straws. You want to play? You want to get it? Oh, that was lackluster. Miss Aminas, you want to get the straw? Okay, just here to prove me wrong. All right. Hey, do you want to say hi? Say hi. Oh, so handsome. So handsome. Where's the Sally Wally? The Sally! Do you have a toy? Do you have a toy? Hi, get your chicken. Is this your crazy chicken? Hey, baby. Or do you want the birdie bird? Okay. Do you want to get it? Nope. Gina? And yesterday I got 2 packages. I got my mystery order from MAC. Let me turn this way. So much better. So MAC, I think it was last Friday, was doing a little promotion where you could spend $49 and get 7 full-size items that were gonna value like $100. So I also got one more package that I'm gonna do a video on, but I'm so excited because they sent me a scent I already like. But I got my luxury scent box. If you guys aren't familiar, it is kind of like Scentbird. There's not a huge difference, but I'll tell you, this to me is better for your money because you actually get more perfume in it. I love this one because it's like sleek and black. And this one is Viva La Juicy. I actually thought I was getting Viva La Juicy Sucre, and I want that fragrance. I'm pretty sure that like it's gone. It's the one that was like in the little cupcake looking bottle, but I feel like this, maybe this is the original, but they're all kind of like a similar scent. They've just got a few different notes, but I really like Juicy Couture. I've got the Rosé, and I really like that one, but this is gonna be so perfect for my purse. I also went to Bath and Body Works yesterday. I know I already did my haul, so I feel like I'm just gonna like show you guys if I get anything else in my vlog. This seems like a lot, but it was really cheap. I only spent like $21. But throughout the sale, you can go back in and there'll be stuff that's marked down cheaper and cheaper, or like new items added to the 75% off section. So I saw this one. This is the one that caught my eye because I've had this. I think I might still have one, but I really like it, and it's the Peach and Honey Almond. These were only $3.12, which I thought, oh my god, it's such a good deal. So I really like this one personally, so I got the lotion in it as well. I decided to get the Lemon Pomegranate Cream. I love lemon scents, and I'm almost out of my like classic, I think it's like classic vanillas and lemon vanilla, and I'm almost out of that because I bought like 8 of them. That's how much I liked it. And I got the lotion in that as well. And then this one I've never tried. I just got it on a whim because it was so cheap. This is the Apple Blossom and Lavender. I did add on one little thing at the checkout. It says see you soon, and this is a sea mineral and hyaluronic acid sheet mask, and it was $1.50. This freaking Vitamin Shoppe collagen peptides powder, I'm gonna have to buy some. I really like it. Every day when I'm wetting my Beauty Blender or my Morphe sponge or my Real Techniques or whatever sponge I'm using that day, when I'm wetting it, I'll also like make me a glass, like a big glass of water. So usually I'll put it in a cute cup, and I'll put like 7 or 8 drops of the liquid turmeric. It says you can use a lot more than that. I've just been using a little bit. But the main thing is I've been putting in a scoop of the collagen peptides powder. I am almost out. I'm so sad. I did get this sent to me from Influencer like a while back. That's how much I have left. I'm so sad because this is literally made this happen. Like my nails never grow this long, and if they ever do get anywhere near this long, they break off before they can all be like even and pretty. This is also good for your like skin, obviously, and my skin has been looking really good, and I have not done anything miraculous. I've actually been a little bit lazy about like my exfoliation and stuff